Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error with the error code 0x80070043, Windows cannot access, network name cannot be found on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update Windows and its drivers. How would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates and install the optional updates. Go to the Windows Update tab and then click on Check for Updates. The next solution is to disable Fast Startup. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit Enter. Click on Choose what power buttons to. Click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck this box. It should not be checked. It should be unchecked. Click on Save Changes. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and go to MRT to open the malware removal tool. Okay. And then click on Next. Select full scan. Click on Next and let it run through. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again to initiate this. The last solution is to run the memory diagnostic tool. So search for memory diagnostic and then click on Windows memory diagnostic. Finally click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.